Surprise. No, you're not. Alright, I'm scared. Welcome to the Shar and Joe Show. On season 2, we tested out some of those viral recipes, hacks, and experiments that you see floating around on the internet. Typical Shar and Joe style, not everything went as planned. Wow, okay, yeah, let's take it off. But we definitely still had a good time.
Yeah, for sure. And I think we got pretty competitive on some of those games. What in the world? That means I won by like 30 seconds. I know I personally couldn't stop laughing on that last episode with the whipped cream.
Yeah, that was funny.
Yeah, Charlene just couldn't quite get it figured out. Blast off!
Yep, things definitely got a little bit crazy and messy this season.
Yeah, mostly Charlene. No. But I do recall you screaming on like half the episodes. I don't know what that was about.
And you stumped me on a bunch of those trivia questions too. What?
Wrong.
What?
Wrong answer. Wrong. Not hard to do. I'm just kidding. No, I try to make them a little tricky for you. But well, anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching us through season 1 and 2. Make sure you guys try some of the stuff at home. It's not our goal for you to just be entertained by us, but we want you guys to try these things with your family and your friends. Have a good time, have a good laugh like we do on our episodes, and don't be afraid to mess up, because you'll see in our shenanigans, like, it doesn't always turn out.
Right, exactly, but we always get a lot of laughs out of it for sure.
Yeah, still have a good time.
Thanks so much for watching us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
I don't think you made eye contact. Neither did I.
You want to try that again? The cheers part?
No.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. And it still is water, guys.
Yeah. Oh, you got lipstick all over your cup.
So?
So?
See ya.